Hi everyone, my name is Valeria and I will be explaining my salt mining experiment. An ion is an atom that has either a net positive or negative charge. If the atom has more electrons than protons, it is a negative ion, or an anion. If it has more protons than electrons, it is a positive ion. Balloons, when rubbed against surfaces, sum up negative charge. Steps to complete the experiment. First, you mix the salt and pepper together on a plate. Then you take a balloon, fill it with air, and rub it against your head. Third, you hold the balloon over the salt and pepper and mixture and see what happens. This is me doing the experiment. These are the results. The pepper was stuck in the balloon and the salt was left behind on the plate. Conclusion. Rubbing a balloon gives it a negative charge. Gains enough static electricity. When it is brought near the mix of salt and pepper, the negative charge polarizes the salt and pepper. This negative charge moves the electrons of the salt and pepper to one side, leaving one end positive and one end negative. The positive end is attracted to the negatively charged balloon, but because pepper is so much lighter than salt, the pepper flakes will jump on the balloon, leaving the salt behind. Observations. Salt and pepper can be separated by making a use of physical properties like weight, color, and electrical charge. When the balloon is brought closer to the neutrally charged pepper, the negative charge on the balloon attracts the pepper. Pepper is lighter bodied rather than the salt. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you enjoyed it.